Hi, this is Samira Al Bloushi. I'm an Emirati from Dubai and I'm studying Master in Human Resources and Organizational Psychology. Today I'm attending here the Research and the Leadership Bootcamp. I would like to encourage everyone to attend this university based on my experience. Being as a housewife, as an employee, I had very tight time and tried other universities and I've gone through a huge list. But finally I selected through Westford because it provided me a lot of flexibility. The study were online, the team, they were always approachable and supportive, advised me even the payment plan is flexible and affordable. This is my second experience attending the bootcamp with Westford. The speakers, they were very amazing. The sessions which I attended, they were valuable. This was from my heart based on my experience. You guys, if you're looking to continue your higher education, Westford would be a great option for your postgraduate.